This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact iOS 26 build and device model so troubleshooting targets the right firmware. Then make a full encrypted backup to iCloud or Finder. This preserves app data and settings. Once the backup finishes, close background apps, disable VPN, and toggle airplane mode to remove network interference. These steps prevent data loss and isolate variables. Finally, restart the device to flush caches before deeper fixes. This short restart often reveals whether the issue persists. Once done with the restart, enable diagnostics and capture logs so you can correlate events with system traces. This helps locate the faulty subsystem. Next, reproduce the bug while recording screen and noting timestamps. Precise reproduction is essential to verify a fix. Then check for the latest incremental iOS 26 patch and install it. Incremental fixes often target regressions. If Apple provided a carrier or configuration profile, apply it. Make sure to monitor logs during the patch installation. You finish by verifying the fix. Repeat the exact reproduction steps and confirm the system logs no longer show the error codes you captured earlier. If the bug persists, perform a DFU restore to factory iOS 26, then restore the encrypted backup to recover data. DFU clears low-level firmware problems. If problems continue, gather sysdiagnose files and submit them through Apple Feedback Assistant. This provides engineers the context they need. One key troubleshooting tip: watch for kernel panics in logs. They demand DFU-level recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.